Okay, so hey everybody, this is a different video from what I normally make, so let's just jump right into it. This is a video on this animal petition that I found on Facebook, from one of my friends on Facebook, and basically what this petition is about is, getting rid of animal crush videos. And basically, if you don't know what animal crush videos are, I'm going to read you the description from the petition site. So, this is directly from the petition site. I'll put the whole description down there below, and then right below it I'll put the petition, or above it, I don't know. Okay. Basically, animal crush videos generally feature, but do not limit themselves to, small live animals such as kittens, puppies, mice, and bunnies being slowly tortured in the most horrific ways imaginable. This is serious, guys. This is what they do. They burn alive, cut with pruning shears. Like, I'm guessing, I don't really know what that is, but it's cutting, so it's not food. Nailed to the floor, skinned alive, beaten, stabbed, and most often they have their limbs crushed and broken, just to evoke more screams of agony. The majority of these videos share a common theme. The animals are incrementally crushed by I'm bad at reading. Scantily clad women in heels. Those who purchase these videos view them for sexual gratification, basically seeking the animal crush interest is a typical sexual arousal towards the horrific torture and distress of other life forms. The sick, twisted, I'm sorry guys, I'm just going to skip that word. Animal crush industry has been increasingly popular all over the world. It will continue to escalate the degradation of our society if nothing is done to curtail this sadistic underground industry. Basically, to sum all that up, this petition basically, it helps out the decreasing it'll help out a major decreasing of the animal crush videos by making it illegal, I'm guessing. Okay. Yeah, they're gonna make it illegal. Basically, I don't know why this isn't already illegal, but I don't know. I really don't know why this isn't falling into the category of animal abuse and why this isn't already illegal, but I don't know. I don't know. Maybe you have to be like caught in the act or something, but I mean, it's like killing somebody on camera and then denying it. Like, that's how I see it, so I don't know how this isn't already illegal. But it's not. And this does say on the petition, it says it's from the UK Parliament, so maybe it's not illegal in the UK, and that's where they make these videos. Because in the US, it's certainly illegal. Animal abuse is, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so to help out, sign the petition below. And I'm going to stop this video because it's 4 minutes long. But thank you for helping out if you signed the petition, and I'll leave every detail of, I didn't read the whole paragraph, the whole thing below, so you can read that. And if you want to read it on the site yourself and you don't believe me, you can always just go to the About This Petition section on the website. Okay, well, thank you and have a great day. Bye.